Hello, it's Anya from Digital Painterly. I wanted to share with you how I use those hand-painted digital backdrops. I created a collection with floral inspired by Flemish fine art artists, and I wanted to make a very painterly, very beautiful, delicate changes in between, lots of kind of brush stroke details backdrops. I hope you like them, and this is the way I use them. So let's start from the beginning. We have the image of this little girl, and I'm just going to drop the backdrop over that image, and there's a couple of different ways you can select her. Adjust the backdrop, make sure you hold shift for unified look. And in this version, I'm just doing select wand and cloud detailed result, select subject. So that way I'm saving my time, and rather than masking off by hand, I'm doing that way. So you can do it that way, or if it doesn't work, go back to manually painting over, masking over your subject. I've done many other videos. You can see on my YouTube channel under Digital Painterly how I mask off the subject. So this is the other way to do it, and Photoshop is really good these days with the way to do it, so give it a go, and it might just save you manually masking it off. So what we do, we're just going to select subject, make sure the cloud is selected because it gives you much better result. Now I'm going to reveal my top layer, apply the mask over, and press Ctrl I to inverse. Now it's very dramatic. I'm just showing you here on two different examples how it's going to look like with soft light mode and with normal mode. And we're just going to reduce opacity down. And again, you have to play by eye depending on the image. Just look at the level that you like. Sometimes it helps to step back from the computer and come back, look with your fresh eyes. We're going to create an empty layer, change the blending mode to soft light, and choose the brush really dark, almost black. And then with a soft brush, we're going to paint that extra shadow. Because otherwise it looks a bit flat. So just go over, and that soft light helps you make it look good. Even darker if you want in some spots. So gradually adding on is better than just slapping it with a one big sweep. And that's how it looks like. Now we're going to move to another layer, and we're going to go to soft light mode. Again, reduce the opacity, make it nice and subtle. It really depends on your taste and on the image. Now that shadow is a bit too strong. We can always reduce that opacity. It's a bit too strong for this particular soft light mode. So this is the way I approach it. There's many other ways. You can add then photo filter if you like to give the whole image kind of cohesive look with orange or yellow. You can do so much more to that if you want. You can do dodge and burn over, but that again, that comes back just to basic editing of that main image. But when it comes to blending both, that's how I approach it. So I hope you like it. I hope you find it useful. Please let me know if you have any questions. There are other software on the market, like a free GIMP. I have to admit I'm not a specialist on GIMP. I know they have a blending modes and they have the options of layers. Not sure if they have layer masks though. You might have to check and kind of educate yourself within that area, and maybe you'll get that result. But Photoshop is far the best for editing, and you can do very quick select, very quick masking, lovely resource. But if you want just one image and you want a quick result, you don't want to pay for a Photoshop, that might be the best solution. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.